Today, EOS visited GX MTBM factory, a renowned Chinese brand with 24 years of expertise in design, production, and manufacturing. GX holds over 10 patents and specializes in pipe, jacking machines and shield TBMs with diameters ranging from 0.4 m to 6 meters. These products are sold both domestically and internationally. Key products include rectangular, rock type, EPB type, and slurry type pipe jacking machines. Among their remarkable achievements is the world's largest rectangular pipe jacking machine, measuring 9.9 米乘 8.15 米, which successfully drove 445 米. This accomplishment set a global record for super large cross section, ultra shallow soil cover, less than 4 meters pipe jacking, as demonstrated in the Kiliancheng Road project by the Shanghai Tunnel Group. Additionally, GX developed the world's largest diameter rock pipe jacking machine, measuring 5.49 米 and weighing 190 tons. Through these groundbreaking innovations, the company has earned an outstanding reputation in the Chinese market for tackling global engineering challenges. To better serve international customers, EOS is working closely with GX to enhance automation technologies and ensure the highest standards of service, catering to the evolving needs of the global market.